Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I'm sorry if I'm rushing through this video, but I'm getting ready to leave and I just snagged this BOXYCHARM from my mailman. I was like, give me that box. He's like, okay girl, like damn. But yeah, I'm super excited to get into it. I haven't opened it yet. As you can see, it's still sealed. So let's get straight into seeing what's inside. Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you like more unboxing videos, and let's get straight into unboxing this. Okay, we all know the BOXYCHARM basics. It's $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products. And I got, oh, I'm sorry you guys. You know what? Definitely need to invest in a box cutter. I understand. And if you're an unboxer like me, please invest in one. It's not safe to use a knife, but I'm gonna use one today. Opening up the box. Oh my god, such a relief. I was so scared to get that hot pink blush. Like, believe me, I was like, if I get that, like, I'm gonna be freaking mad, you know what I mean? But I'm happy. I got the Pretty Vulgar blush in the color Hush Blush. It is really nice mauve color. There you go. Lighting's acting up on me. We got that. Next item that we have here, oh, I got the Butter London Double Decker Mascara. Okay, this is something that I wanted too. This is what it looks like. And I also got here the South Main 3 eye gel pack. I love eye gel packs because, you know, I got under eye bags. They're bags, so I really need to use these. I love this. I'm happy. I'm sorry if I'm rushing through this. I'm trying to make this video as fast as I can, and I'm trying to be as thorough as I can. Next product that I see here is Vintage Cosmetics Smokey Eye Brush Set, and the tape has been lifted off the top, but you know what I'm saying, I really don't care. Let me see if I can get into this real quick. Check out the quality of these brushes. Okay. They're a little bit rough, and I don't know if you guys can see on camera. There's like a lot of like leftover little hairs that are longer than the actual brush is supposed to be trimmed. But I'll give these a try and I'll see how they work out for me. But this is how the outside of the packaging looks like. There you go. That's how that looks like. Last but not least, I'm going to dive into this palette that I've been waiting to receive since I saw the spoilers. It is the BOXYCHARM and Pure collab with Pure Cosmetics, I believe. And that is how the outside of the packaging looks like. Opening it up, oh, has a, oh, stickers. Let's get back to the knife. Break it a little, but it's okay. This is what the colors look like. They look really nice. Let me see. Let's try out this blue color. Ooh, that's really pigmented. I'm sorry that the lighting outside is like really washing me out really bad, but I like the pigmentation on this palette. That pink could be a little bit better, but I mean, personal preference. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got this in my box. Okay, now rounding up the box, the eye gel packs are worth $10. The Butter London mascara is worth $20. The Pure Cosmetics palette is worth $36. The Vintage Cosmetics brush set is worth $23. And the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush is worth $26. So this is well over $100 in this box, and I'm pretty impressed. I mean, if I'm completely right, it's over $100. But I'm super impressed. I love that I did not get that hot pink blush. I was really, really scared. I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that blush. But I'm happy I got this color. I'm into these kind of colors, so I'm really happy. And there you have it, you guys. I'm sorry for rushing through this video so fast, but I wanted to get it done for you before I head out. Today is my nephew's birthday, and I have to go celebrate with him. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.